If you want to know how I take my hair from this to this every single week, then you have definitely come to the right video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a detailed video on my curly hair routine. Alright, so per usual, wash day starts by just getting in the shower and just wetting my hair. I like to thoroughly rinse my hair because I just feel like it just helps loosen up my hair and just gets rid of any dirt or gunk that's been left in my hair. The key to a great wash day is a great wash. Alright, so after thoroughly washing my hair, I'm going to move on to my shampoo. This is the shampoo I'm going to be using. It's Aussie shampoo. I've been using the shampoo for a couple months and I just love how soft and moisturized my hair has been feeling, and I just feel like it gets my curls to just pop even more. I always get the product in my roots because I feel like that's the part that gets the most overlooked. Alright, so when scrubbing your hair, you guys don't want to be scratching your scalp because you're going to end up damaging your scalp. What you guys want to do, you want to take your 4 tips of your fingers and just massage your scalp. In doing so, you guys will prevent yourself from having cuts and scabs in your scalp. Alright, so now you want to thoroughly rinse out the shampoo for at least 3 minutes, focusing on the back of your head to the front of your head, just to make sure that all the shampoo suds are getting nicely rinsed out. And this is what my hair looks like after the shampoo. Alright, so now I'm going to be using Aussie conditioner to condition my hair. The reason why I like this conditioner so much is because of how soft it makes my hair feel and how easy it is to detangle with. Y'all, I don't know why, but whenever I do my hair, the top of my head just looks so trash, so garbage, just looks poop. So I detangled my hair off camera, but this is what my hair looks like. Alright, so I'm going to be using a shower cap. The reason why the shower cap is so good is because it traps your body heat and provides long-lasting moisture for your hair and softens it. The shower cap stayed on my hair for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes later, this is what my hair looks like. Bro, my hair felt so soft, guys. You can use a steamer or a shower cap, it doesn't matter. So I washed my hair out, and then I used the TGIN hair milk. And I didn't even add a lot, I just added probably like 1 pump, and that's it. Y'all, I'm telling you guys, my curly hair routines will really grow your hair. Alright, so right now I'm just parting my hair. So I went down the middle to create 2 big sections, and then I used an elastic and just parted away that whole section. And then I split the other side in 2 and then parted that away also, and also did the same thing for my last section. Alright, so this is the section that we're going to be working with first. So now I'm going to be using my absolute favorite gel right now, the Duke's Big Papa gel. Y'all, I'm not even joking, this is the best gel I've ever used in my whole life. I've never used a gel that hasn't left my hair crunchy or flaky before. This gel moisturizes my hair, softens it, and leaves no flaking or crunch, and defines my curls with such little effort. I love this gel and I'm sure you will too. I didn't really like the clips of this section, so I'm going to redo it and show you guys. Alright, so what I do to style my hair is I just take some gel and just smooth it onto my section, and make sure to take a lot, like don't be shy with the gel. Like I work it into my hair, but like almost like you're squeezing your hair. And usually for the front of my hair, I like to do finger coils just so everything's just nicely defined. So I take my section and just go part by part, piece by piece, and just coil my hair. If y'all don't know how to coil your hair, so what you want to do is just take your hair and just wrap it around your finger and go in a circular motion until you get that nice curl that you're looking for. If you're using this gel, you cannot add any oils before using. Doing so will create a barrier and the gel won't be able to work as much as it could. Alright, so this is the last coil for this section, and what I like to do is just I take my spray bottle and just spray my hair with some water, because I feel like after using this gel you have to spray some water in your hair because it just makes your curls just pop so much more and so much better, guys. And it doesn't hurt to give your hair a little shake. Alright, so this section is nicely finished. And y'all, this is my last section right here. This is the last section of my curly hair routine, so I just take some gel and just rub it on my ends, and then I take my tail comb and just detangle my ends, make sure they're nicely detangled, and then I just add in some more gel and just smooth it onto my hair, and then I just do some coils. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will surely answer you. Once again, guys, I'm telling you guys, please buy the Duke's Papa gel. It will save your life, guys. You guys will see so much change in your hair, I promise you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.